this is Francesca, as you guys know, and this is
Airlise.
and she's my best friend. And so, okay, so, and this week's theme on 7 Super Girls.
She's coughing.
So finally, we can do this again. So my name is Francesca, and
Look at my colorful socks.
and her name is Elise. And this week's theme on 7 Super Girls is rainy day. So you guys can see it's raining outside.
You probably can't because these connections these days and these stupid graphics.
Yeah.
It's raining and we can't go in the pool.
We were going to go in the pool, but now we can't because it's raining outside.
I'm such a babe. Look at that. I'm a babe.
It's a babe.
I'm a babe.
She's a babe. That's so weird. Okay, so that's my dog. So we're going to be showing you guys like some fun things to do in the rain. So let's get started.
One thing to do on a rainy day is dance.